Student Christopher Devlin walks or takes public transport when he's going somewhere. At 21, he's had his licence for 3 years, but he's never had an insurance quote he can't afford. He's been effectively priced off the road.
I tried with all sorts of cars like a wee Maker or something, or a wee Clio 1.2, but the quotes were ranging from anywhere between £3,000 to £5,000, and it's really expensive. I couldn't afford it at all.
Up until now, insurers have been risk profiling drivers before deciding on a premium price. One of the factors they'd take into account was the client's gender. Women got cheaper policies, and there was a very obvious reason for that. What we're always told is that young men are more difficult to insure because they're more likely to have an accident. And if you look at the statistics and average them out over the last 4 years, well, they certainly seem to bear that out. Young men in the age bracket 16 to 24 had 658 accidents a year, compared to young women in the same age range who had 562. But where the figures really start to stack up and get quite stark is where you look at the number of fatal and serious injury accidents across that period involving both genders. Young men had 243 of those a year, compared to young women who had 104, less than half. But from December 21st, an EU ruling means insurance companies can't offer better prices to women just because of their gender. It's a law change the insurance industry has been fighting for 10 years.
Your gender is actually really important to the way insurers decide how much you should pay for insurance, because it's linked to various risks. And we didn't like this ruling. We've actually lobbied against it for nearly a decade. But we are where we are, and insurers are busy working hard to change their systems and do this for the first time and offer gender-neutral rates, as it were.
The younger you are, the bigger the difference you're going to see. The government has worked out that young women aged 17 to 25 will see a 24% increase in their premiums on renewal, an average of £326. Young men in the same age bracket, by contrast, will see their premiums fall by 9%, an average saving of around £188. There's a sliding scale of increases and decreases in other age brackets until the age of 40, where the prices level off. So Christopher Devlin should see a drop in his insurance quotes, but at just a couple of £100 on a price of several thousand, it probably still won't be enough to get him behind the wheel. Conor Macaulay, BBC Newsline.